Kelly Clarkson tells why she wouldn't join American Idol. Kelly Clarkson has officially dropped the notion of replacing Katy Perry on American Idol. The 42-year-old anchor told Entertainment Tonight that she will not participate in the singing contest because she wants to spend more time with her children. I can't do that only because I promised my kids, said Kelly, who has two children with her ex-husband Brandon Blackstock, River Rose 9 and Remmington 8. I was like, I wanna be there as much as I can, and it would place me in Los Angeles, which is why I had to leave The Voice, which I adore, she continued. Kelly's remark came after Katy Perry announced her departure from the show after 6 years. I believe this will be my last episode and season on Idol. I mean, I love Idol so much, the teenage dream singer stated during her visit on Jimmy Kimmel Live. It connected me with the heart of America, but I feel like I need to go out and feel that pulse of my own beat. You know what I'm saying, Jimmy? She acknowledged.